3M Diamond Grade Conspicuity Marking Series 983 is used for increasing the nighttime visibility of trucks, trailers, and other roadway equipment. Series 983 meets the requirements of FMV SS 108, the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard for motor vehicles. It can also be used to mark vehicles and equipment not subject to the standard to increase visibility and safety. A few common tools are needed to apply 3M conspicuity markings. A scissors or utility knife with a sharp blade for cutting. A squeegee or roller to apply pressure across the surface of the tape. The 3M PA1 squeegee is recommended. If you are going over rivets, you can cut around the rivet or use a specialized rivet punch. For optimum adhesion and durability, apply 3M conspicuity tape between 50 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean the surfaces where Series 983 is to be applied. Dirt, oil, road grime, and other surface contamination will prevent the adhesive from working properly. Isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth are recommended for cleaning the surface. If you use a detergent wash to clean the application area, it is essential to flush the washed area with plain, clean water and dry the surface afterwards, as a soap film left behind can inhibit adhesion. Remove the liner and position tape on the vehicle. Tack down lightly to hold in position. Use your hand to press tape onto the surface. Using a PA1 applicator, press the tape to the surface using firm, overlapping strokes to ensure proper adhesion. If there are hinges, latches, or other hardware, cut the tape about 1/8 inch back to avoid buckling. Pre-cut strips can also be applied using these same techniques. Cut strips may be available from your supplier. Otherwise, you can cut strips from the roll with a scissors. Clean the surface area where Series 983 tape will be applied, as previously recommended. Measure and tape off the area to be marked with even spacing between the strips of tape. Remove the liner and apply each strip to the clean surface by pressing down with your hand. Once in place, squeegee over the tape, using firm, overlapping strokes to ensure proper adhesion. Apply the tape over the rivets using firm pressure, leaving a bridge over the rivet head. Cut tape around the rivets using a rivet punch. Place the tool over the top of the rivet and tap lightly using a hammer. Then, remove the tape cut from the rivet head. Squeegee around the rivet with firm pressure to ensure adhesion. Avoid applying tape over closely spaced rivets where possible.